Oh look, this guy's already working. That's good. Oh, this guy's painted in. All right. Okay, so I got this here. Okay, so look. One of the things that we're not doing is we're not stripping down the inside here, okay? And one of the things you're gonna find is that we gotta take these moldings off, okay? These moldings here create the track that this sash slides up and down in. And if you're not careful, when you take this molding off, that paint will peel into here, right? And that'll create more work that's unnecessary, right? The inexperienced will come in, rip these things off, and then they'll create 10 times more work than necessary. It's gonna take 10 times longer and all that kind of stuff. When we go in, we know the little trick I'm gonna show you, and we'll get down real fast. So I think in your kit you got a sanding block, Kenny?
Yep.
Who's that? This is a piece of wood. There it is right there. So look, what you do to keep that paint from traveling from peeling all the way into this space here, because we don't want to take this off, all right? Is you take your sanding block, you sand that corner to bare wood. See how I did that? Okay? When you sand it to bare wood, guess what? That paint can't peel around, okay? And it's already sanded smooth at the same time. See how I do that? Okay? So, oh, so nice. See the dust I'm creating? That's why I covered everything up, okay? So I'm gonna do this here. Perfect. Okay, now I got that sanded there. I'm gonna cut my paint line with my knife. Okay, this is, there you go. There's that, and then take your bar that you've got in your kit, okay? Take the hook of your bar, if you can, slide it in the back, okay, to get it started. Because what you don't want to do is jam it in there and scar up the face to create more work for yourself. If you scar it up, then you have more to repair putting it back together. But now I got a space in here, I can get it in there and take it off pretty easy, okay? See how that works? Perfect. Now that's going to need some glue, okay? That's okay. Okay, so now that's done. Oh, I got my nails in the way. So, there we go. There's that. Perfect.
Oh, sweet.
Look at that. So this is the first window out. Boom. Okay. So now that's S2. Then what we'll do is give that to Israel, and then here, let me take a measurement real quick just to make sure. Okay, this is okay, 34. All right. That's good. All right, that's the size I made my sashes. I got all these sashes out there, man, but if they were all 32, then I'd be in trouble. Yeah, 33. Pull them out. I don't know if I can get this guy out very easily or not. We'll see. Tighten just a little bit. See that. Oh, it's coming. Carding bead fits in that groove real nice. They get painted in. And man, it's hard to get out. Oh, there it goes. See it? All right, y'all can't see it because you're on the other side, but y'all believe it? I'm sure you do. All right. Perfect. Okay. I'll try to get this guy. Now this is fun. Now here's something that can be kind of tough for you guys to see, but it's pretty important. This is the how to get this parting bead out when the sash is in the up position. Oh, sometimes it breaks. And it broke. But you know what? That's okay if I got new parting beads. Alright, so I'm going to take that guy out. Let's see what my knife. I have my knife. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to use it. I am going to have to do a little bit of damage to get this parting bead out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take I sharpen this here, okay? So I can have like a little chisel in there. See how that helps pry it out. I know you guys didn't see that, but I know you believe me when I say it. So, there we go. This guy there. Aha. Look at that. See? All right, hey Israel. Oh man, I'm gonna use my good blade. You want to go back to the shop and get it? Maybe you can get the tools. There you go. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. All right. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay. Which one is this? This is
All
best.
right. So now the way you do it is patience. Okay. All right. Breathing through your nose. Okay. And not getting too excited. You're gonna get excited. And look, I can see the smile coming already. All right.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And it's okay. I mean, it's good to be excited, but yeah, right. You don't want to be in a hurry. Okay. So I want you to grow into the process. Learn it. Feel it. You know what I'm saying? So that you're learning right from the very beginning. Okay. And that's where we are.